Hey guys, d-piddy here. We have another shoe unboxing. This time it's for the Air Jordan 4 What The. Yeah, it's a weird name. So the term What The is a lingo that Nike uses when they get a particular model shoe and then they get a whole bunch of different colorways and just mash it all together. It all started with the Nike SB Dunk What The. So I think it's What The Nike SB Dunk, but whatever, names don't matter. But it started with that. The Nike SB Dunk was one of the most popular shoes, and Nike decided to make a Frankenstein shoe that combined a whole bunch of different colorways. And you know, they did it with LeBron's shoe, they did it with a whole bunch of different shoes, and now the Air Jordan 4 receives this treatment. It basically combines the first 4 original colorways of the Air Jordan 4. You can see here, it looks like this. It combines the Jordan 4 fire red, military blue, cement gray, and the red. This shoe is definitely pretty cool, I think. I wish it was black instead of white though, but you know, whatever. So I actually have the original 4 shoes. So here is the Jordan 4 cement grays. Here is my Jordan 4 reds, which are completely destroyed. Yeah, they are gone. They're cracked up, but you know, you gotta wear your shoes, right? This is my military blues, and this is my Fire 4s. It's probably somewhere downstairs. I don't know. Anyways, you combine these shoes right here, and you get this shoe, -1, which is somewhere downstairs probably. So this is the Air Jordan 4 What The. It comes with extra black laces. Nothing else. There's nothing else it comes with. Also, if you notice, it gets the OG treatment, meaning instead of the Jumpman logo on the heel here and on the bottom, you have the OG Nike logo on the back and the bottom. Also, a big difference, as you can see on the white leather, the military blue 4s here is like smooth, nice smooth white leather. Well, this is like, I believe it's cracked leather. So it goes up here, you can see the texture of it. Then it goes all around. It's the cracked leather is all around the shoe, and you can see it on both shoes, the right and left, the cracked leather. But these two, it's a smooth white leather. So that's another difference. So on the inside of the shoe, on the sole, instead of the Jumpman logo, you have the original OG Nike Air logo on both shoes. The coolest detail of the shoe is the shoelace. So here you can see blue numbers on one, and on the other shoelace you see red numbers. On this you have numbers on the other shoelace as well. You have black numbers here, and you have it's very faint, but you can kind of see the numbers here. But basically, they're the model number of each original shoe color that's printed on each shoelace. So that's a really, really cool, very subtle detail that no one's probably ever gonna notice. But it's cool. And then, of course, the tongue, Air Jordan, upside down, right there. But yeah, overall, I think these shoes are pretty cool. I didn't expect these to get like the What The treatment. They kind of looked a little funny at first when I saw them on Instagram, but looking at them in person, I like it. So yeah, I guess that's it for the unboxing. The suggested retail price for these are $200. So after taxes, like $219 or whatever. These were $160. Okay, yeah, they were $160. So this, I guess, has a little premium price of $200. I guess that's it for the video. Like the video, leave a comment, and I'm leaving.
Ready?